Hi, Michael. Hope you're doing well. Okay, I have seen your job description and I was quite interested in your job, so I thought to make a video in order to show you my skills and expertise, especially specific to your project. So, let me give you a brief intro about myself. I am Hassam and I'm Google Silver Product Expert, having expertise in Google Sheets, Google Web Apps, Google Data Studio, Google Apps Script, and other Google products. You can check out my YouTube channel where you can see my expertise relevant to Google Data Studio, Google Sheets, and Google Apps Script. And besides that, you can also check out my web application specific work on this specific playlist. Now, coming to my experience of working on add-on and custom function, let me show you this one. This is a MetriQL website, and I created this add-on for this company. So this was the add-on, and in that I also used the custom functions, as you can see here. So I created the custom functions for them, and you can check out the YouTube video for that as well. Besides that, one of my major project relevant to the custom functions was this one, which was actually a NASA Horizon API. And this was quite complicated and quite interesting project. And the best thing about this was that I made a system for the client to generate the custom functions. So if I come here, these are all different parameters. Here, user can give the function name, function detail, and then what the function will return. He can just put it here. Then he can. This was some parameters extra, some extra parameters. So from here, he can select the details about his requirements for that particular custom function. And once the user provide all that information, the custom formula code used to get updated here in this sheet. And then the user just have to copy this function and paste it into the F script. And that's it. It was, I mean, totally dynamic. And the major benefit which the client got was that now he don't have to get in touch with the developers in order to add more functions. He can just do it himself using this formula generator. So just to show you how this is working, these are actually the formulas. So if I just replace dollar with the equal sign, these are custom functions. So as you can see, this have changed and it got the value from the NASA API. So this was the project related to custom functions. I hope um, uh, you must have realized the expertise which I have, and I would be happy to assist you in this project. So let me know if you're interested. Thank you so much. Bye bye.